Samulani bafethu, yabo situation ka-MT no-Nicole ngiyangithola is a very 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 bad situation guys. Yabo. Yabona uLova waqala wathi umuntu wesifazane mende naye just she was evil. Just know.
Nah, she's just evil. She's just evil.
Just know ukuthi uLova like was blinded by love. You understand? Guys, it's very important as a man to choose the best woman for yourself. And I know most of us sonke bafethu sagaxela kubantu besifazane aba-evil. Bakhona abantu besifazane aba-evil, hayi bonke. Bakhona aba-evil bafana nganitshela mina. Khona iPython outside there. Understand? Nje amadoda zonke zizinja. Hayi wonke amadoda zizinja, but as much as amajita akhona abhedayo bakhona abantu besifazane they gonna suck you dry my nigga, or either emotional or spiritual or financial. Trust me, bakhona. And makeza kuwe uzokubhomba bathini bomba watu wathi ngothando, bomba loving you. Yes, batsho njalo esilungu uzokubhomba lava. Usifila utathandwa wena kanti cha lutho. Usebomeni bakho because ubona lo muntu azodlala ngaye azomyenza yoyo, azomenza ipuppet. You understand? And lapho realize khona umjida sokulate mfana. Sokulate mfana, the situation emthiyadlula kuyo sokulate. Talking from experience, nami senisuka lapho. Yeah. Akhulume kabi ngawe ebantwini mfana, ngapha uyena ubuye wakuchitha into ebhlungu kabi. Akubuye akuchitha into ebhlungu kabi. Ha. Mayiqede abantu bathi mina ngihappy la ngikhona, ngantsheli ngaloyo. You understand? Wena mawufika ebantwini bakubona ezibheast, kanti cha awuyona ibeast wena. Inkinga umuntu esifazane lo mchoze lichoze umuntu wrong wesifazane. Mayigqiba kuphanishe ngengane zakho. Thatha ingane zakho angafuni uzibone. Ha, tshela mina. Thatha ingane zakho angafuni uzibone ingane zakho. Ngane yakho igcina incane bese indala ingane yakho sengakwazi. Seyitshela nokutshela igama ukuthi igama ubana usubaba wena. Understand? Nafeze ngitshela ngento lakhe namsenze uku experience. Abo situation emthadlula kuyo. I can say I relate brother. Nje sithi she's evil. Trust me. She is evil. Trust me. Akasenayo division any definition of that woman. You understand? To the point lamfazi asafuna ukusana i-divorce paper because like uyabona ukuthi ipuppet iyahamba manje. Uzoyuza bani? Uzodlala bani? Uzohlekisa ngobani? Bani ozohlekisa ngaye? And wonke umuntu uyavuka guys, noba uthi isilima wasenza isilima for 10 years mara sizovuka sikubona ukuthi usenza isilima and sizokushiya.
Yo, you know, that pains me. Because to say that about the mother of your children.
I'm sorry, but...
No, you don't have to be sorry, but I'm thinking about myself in that situation. Yeah. And I've been close to saying that sometimes. You know? I've been close to saying that sometimes about my own situation, but I always pull myself back because I'm like, yo, it's not as bad as MT's situation. You know what I mean? But
most ones umuntu slim utshela ukuthi umuntu uyislima forever. No guys, ayikho lonto le. As a machita manje sichoose abantu besifazane green. Abo situation ka-MT mina mina ngiyarelate shem and ngiyamsupport ngokumove on. Ngiyamsupport umfethu ngokumove on. Umfazi uzokubetha, umfazi uzokuhlukumeza, umfazi uzokufaka ejele. Hayibo. Uzokwenza protection order. Ukuthi ungazobona ingane zakho.
You know what I mean? But it's still bad.
That twice, my nigga.
What?
Twice.
Okay, walk us through the first time. Walk us through the first time and the second time.
It was the same shit. Cap.
So is she accusing you of something? Okay.
I've never hated a woman in my life.
Wazi kahle ukuthi menze protection order kwakhe angeke uzobona ingane. Uyazi kahle lento leyo. And uyakwazi ukuthi azithanda ingane zakho. That's a worst punishment le endodeni leyo. Especially if ine bond nengane zayo. Especially if ine bond nengane zayo. You gonna suffer my brother. You gonna suffer my brother. Mawena ngani ungacomment kule video because I was a focal. I was next. That is why as a man you must choose umuntu esifazane onengqondo umuntu wesifazane okuthanda ngempela, you must not convince umuntu wesifazane to be a relationship now. No, umuntu wesifazane mathi isigqiba i-decision yena ukuthi ufuna uba nawe, awukuthi umconvince, because mamconvince akusazokujikela, trust me, because umconvincile, umconvince ngemali, umconvince whatever lo mconvince ngayo, trust me, uzokujikela kusasa. Lesifazane guys, abanye ayibonke akumele ndiyifake le, abanye abantu besifazane bakhohlakele, abananhliziyo, abanamusa, abanathando, makumawethu. So as indoda kumele ucheck abo situation ka-MT, baningi all over abadlula kuyo mina bangakhulumi, baningi all over abadlula situation ka-MT abathi abakhulumi, they don't talk about into abadlula kuzo, because bayazi bazohlekwa, bayazi ukuthi amaphoyisa azohleka, umuntu wesifazane azokuprovoka ngamabomu afuna umbethe, but now MT uzowaphuma, sangambethe umuntu wakhe uzowaphuma. Wami ngifuna mbethe, mefuna ukumbophisa, mefuna umbophisa, that's why meke mbethe aqala, meke funa uthathe MT amfake ejele, but MT was smart enough. Nama MT nje yazaboshwa because of lento yabo le watu ukuthi ungayi emzini walo muntu lona, but lo muntu lo uyenze ngamabomu lanto le protection order, uyenze ngamabomu because eyazi ukuthini, eyazi ukuthi MT uzohamba ayofuna ubona ingane zakhe, uyenze ngamabomu. Udala ufuna umfake ejele vele, udala ufuna umfake ejele, akusimanje. So uze wazokwazi, but ke luckily zangazaboshwa umfowethu, uyayibona lonto, wabamnika ilento ibail. Nangithola bafethu ezamajida masihuzeni abantu besifazane aba right, masihuzeni abantu besifazane aba right. Trust me, there's many ladies out there, but there's few wives. Fagela, there's many ladies out there, but there's few wives. Few wives. Many ladies, few wives. So you must choose wisely when it's come to a woman. It's either she's gonna build you or destroy you. Mark my words, my guy. Mark my words, my guy. I'm proud of you, MT. Uthola usisi abantu sisinandi ingathanga kuthanda kunakekele, enze sure ukuthi you become the best version of yourself. You understand? After so many years with my drugs, after so many years become a weed addict, a lean drug, that one. Abantu bekuhleka benga understand udlula kunezindoda. Mawucabanga ubuyele ekhaya uyazi ukhona stress endlini. You understand? Do you know that pain, guys? You end up eating the drug, the nigga, because I was too young. Benga understand what is going through. Career yakhe imnika stress, umfazi endlini umnika stress. Like i-fan base iyodwa na i-stress iyodwa. He was eating the lean, the guy. But I'm proud of himself because he never lose himself. Yes. Zange lose umfowethu. Nangu ubuyile. Ingade umuntu esifazana akanaye manje angambuilda. Umfowethu aqala ukuchange, aqala uba i-better person of himself. And if umuntu right unandi, sizoyibona into le, sobona ku-MT mayiqale change ba umuntu o-grand. We gonna know ukuthi inkinga mayikubani. If case is out ngancanywa bafethu.